Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Omomi, but my business name is Zanola Makeovers. This is actually my first time here and I am super excited to be doing this. I'm a makeup artist and I'm based in London, but I'm Nigerian. I studied health education in the prestigious University of Lagos. So why makeup? Well, I'm a makeup artist today, all thanks to God and my mom. Some years ago, my mom thought of sponsoring my cousin, which is her favorite niece, to a skill acquisition program where they were teaching makeup, hairstyling, yeah, and the rest. But my cousin declined due to some personal reasons I'm not aware of. And then my mom thought of sending me. Well, I wasn't her first option, her first choice, because I was still much younger and I was still in high school. So she thought I wouldn't be able to, learn it. But I just summoned the courage to go because I didn't want money to waste. She had already paid. And then, I went there, I learned. It was just for 2 weeks. Yeah, it was for 2 weeks. And, I did well. It was so difficult for me trying to learn how to tie gele. But at the end of the day, yeah, I learned it and thank God. So after secondary school, I thought of upgrading my skills and I found out about House of Tara. And then, I went there for 2 months. I learned and yeah, I'm glad I did. It was a good experience, yeah. So guys, my motivation to open a YouTube channel is to share my knowledge with everyone that's my subscribers, share my knowledge. I've had clients asking me to create a channel just so that they can learn. But yeah, I've decided to start sharing that knowledge. So if you're a makeup artist and you want to upgrade your skills, I can tell you for a fact, this is the right channel for you. And for those of us that just want to learn for personal use, if you're going out to get together, any event at all, this is also the right channel for you because I'll be uploading tutorials in a very simple way and detailed. Trust me, everything will be detailed on this channel. There is nothing hidden. In fact, if you have something you want me to touch, maybe any part of the makeup that you want me to touch, get to my comment section, let me know and I'll have them uploaded for you just as you want it. So guys, yeah, that's just it. So guys, we have come to the end of this introduction video. Thanks to you all for sticking with me to the end of this video. And to my subscribers, I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, even though I have not posted any video. Thank you so much, guys. And to those of us that just stumbled on this video that haven't subscribed to my channel, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get our videos when we upload them. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.